Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today is release day. We have a brand new box of the month, stamp and die of the month, the stamp of the month, and the paper pad club of the month. I'm going to share those with you quickly. I'm not feeling the best, so I'm going to let you enjoy the design team's projects on this hop. So what you'll do is click the hashtag N2S Better Together. It'll bring up all the videos in this hop. You're going to hop to each video, leave a comment, and then come back to my Rafflecopter link in the description box for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. This giveaway will end on the 7th. I will post the winner on the 8th. So in this month's box, you're going to get 3 stamp sets. This one here is called Love is in the Air. It is just so adorable. I love these cute little bunnies. We've got sentiments, a little umbrella made of hearts. I love this cloud with the dangling hearts. The sentiments read, love is in the air, happy Valentine's Day, just you and me, thinking of you, and you are my sunshine. The card I created for that stamp set is this kind of like a no-line coloring technique. I stamped it in gray, and then I colored the bunny in gray, so it kind of gave it that no-line coloring look. This stamp set here is called Loads of Love. It features this very cool pickup truck, this very cute bunny. We've got a couple of hearts. We've got the sentiment, my heart belongs to you. XOXO, y'all. Love me, sending you. You can put that up above here to say loads of love. Hugs and kisses. Hello, my love, and Valentine's Day. And this is the card I created with that stamp set. I just masked off the bunny and then stamped the truck so it looks like it's behind the bunny. Grounded my images and added a sentiment. The third stamp set is called BFF, and this is a really cute stamp set. Features 3 girls, 2 males, and 2 ladies holding a glass of wine. We've got sentiments, sisters make the best friends, true friendship knows no distance, besties forever, you're my person, better together, hashtag BFF, good friends, wine together, and I'm here for you. So you can see you can use this for a lot of different reasons. It could be mother and daughter, it could be sisters, it could be best friends. Whatever you're looking for, you could probably create it with this stamp set. For our paper collections, we have Somebody Loves Me, very, very cute color palette with the pinks, the rose gold, coordinating ephemera, very gorgeous. If you want to see the ephemera and the paper up close, check out my sneak peek video, or on the hop, someone might be sharing what these look like. I'm going to keep my video short today because I'm not feeling the best. Then we've got Best Friends, and I love this color palette as well. I love the yellow with the pink and the blues. So pretty. We've got 2 girls featured in here on a swing. We've got cupcakes and roses and balloons and butterflies in the ephemera. And then this is the cards that I made with those collections. So this one has a lot of layers on the ephemera pieces. I broke up the pattern with some white and then this black strip. This one I stamped out Love is in the Air, and I had the little bunny with his bow and arrow ready to shoot that little heart. Added one of the flower clusters at the bottom, and I love that background paper with the clouds and the dangling hearts. Now this is the box of the month. You can sign up for this box by choosing monthly before checkout. There'll be a drop-down menu. Click that and then you'll choose monthly, and you'll see a 5% discount in your shopping cart. Then you'll get the box shipped to you every 30 days. This one here is from our paper pad subscription. We've got Perfectly Snuggly and Elephant Love. Beautiful, gorgeous papers. This one has a cat theme to it. Cats and coffee, actually. And there's cutouts on the inside that you can fussy cut out or run it through your brother Scan and Cut and use those on card fronts. gorgeous. We've got Elephant Love and a beautiful purple and teal color palette. And then this one has cutouts on the inside as well. Beautiful elephants with some flowers. Another gorgeous paper pad. And the stamp of the month coordinates very well with this Elephant Love paper pad. You get some really cute images here with the sentiments. Congrats on your little peanut. Thanks a ton. Love you. Sweet dreams and smiles. And look at that one. He is so adorable. All the images in this set are really cute. And then the coordinating die will cut around the stars and like the little heart. And also it cuts out all the sentiments for you. So that is my share today. I hope you guys have time to go hopping. Click that hashtag and then leave a comment and a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you for shopping in my store in 2022. I really do appreciate that. And here's to another great year. I will talk to you guys real soon. Bye guys.